excellent experience. We loved the tour with Shani, who explained so many details and clearly loves what she does, in addition to knowing a lot about Curaçao. She made us feel comfortable asking questions, and the hike was fantastic. Without the tour, we wouldn't have even seen the places she took us to. Thank you, Shani, for everything. We're leaving with huge smiles and a desire to return to Curaçao, not only for the beautiful place but also for people like Shani. D. We had an excellent tour. Our tour guide, Shani, and her trainee Gigi, were excellent tour guides. They were entertaining, very knowledgeable, both on the culture, as well as historical side of Curaçao. They were also very attentive to our needs and security. We visit lots of interesting sites, tasted some very good pancakes and sampled some local rum. I would highly recommend this group. They were punctual, knowledgeable and very nice people. This walking tour totally exceeded our expectations. Sedja was absolutely a wealth of knowledge and really brought the local history alive with personal stories and anecdotes. It was a sheer delight to experience her passion and pride for Curaçao and all who live and visit here. Very interesting tour. You walk around two neighborhoods, Pampuna and Otribanda. You get to see hidden gems that you probably wouldn't find yourself. A lot of painted houses. You find out about stores and restaurants. You get to ask any questions you want. Gigi was a phenomenal tour guide. As we walked through Willemstad, she told us the history of the buildings, statues, and murals, interspersed with her own stories and anecdotes. We had an excellent time and would absolutely recommend this tour. It was absolutely amazing. Sedja did a stellar job. She spent time at each landmark to explain the history and significance. Definitely worthwhile doing while in Curaçao. Highly recommended. Altuf, we had some problems to find the guide. We were in a different spot. Everything was great. If you take the tour with this company, ask for Raymond as your give. He is outstanding. Excellent tour, I highly recommend it, as well as its wonderful guide, Shani. Don't hesitate to do it. It takes you through all the beautiful and important sites of Pampuna and Otribanda. Excellent. A very empathetic, friendly, and patient person who always gives her best. We learned so much. There were 9 of us ladies, and she managed us very well. The royal trip was interesting and beautiful despite the rainy periods, but everything was overcome by the great company of our guides Gigi and Shani. Shani is an excellent guide. What was missing, as stated in the description, was a pancake and rum tasting, but that did not affect the rating. Gabriel was excellent, learned so much and had a great time. He was very well informed and made the trip fun for us. Took many photos. I loved the experience with the guide Gigi. He very kindly and patiently gave us the tour. I would come back again. Thank you so much.